The world of reality television never sleeps, and fans of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters have been closely following every twist and turn in the lives of Amy Slayton and her family. Amy, the beloved fan favorite known for her endearing personality and inspiring weight loss journey, has recently been at the center of a whirlwind of shocking revelations. From the emotional reveal of a new baby to her entanglement in a troubling arrest scandal, Amy's life has taken a series of unpredictable turns. And now, in a move that's left fans stunned, Amy has broken her silence on the custody arrangement of her two young sons, Gage and Glenn, revealing a custody update that no one saw coming. This unexpected confession has sent ripples through the 1000 LB Sisters community and social media alike. For many, Amy has been a symbol of strength, resilience, and transformation, balancing motherhood with fame, health struggles, and public scrutiny. But the most recent events have painted a much more complicated picture of her life behind the scenes. The emotional storm surrounding her personal life reached new heights when her children's living arrangements became a topic of public speculation, and Amy finally decided to address the truth head-on. Amy's tumultuous year began with whispers of a surprise pregnancy. While fans were initially confused by her silence on social media, many speculated that she had gone through a significant personal transformation in private. Then came the tearful baby reveal. Amy confirmed that she had been hiding her pregnancy due to fears of judgment and stress in her personal life. She was already managing the challenges of raising Gage and Glenn, navigating her separation from Michael Halterman, and trying to keep her mental health afloat. The announcement came with a flood of emotion as Amy shared the beautiful and heartbreaking details behind her decision to keep the baby a secret until she was emotionally ready to share the news. But just when fans were beginning to celebrate this new chapter with her, a scandal emerged that completely shifted public perception. News broke that Amy had been involved in a troubling incident leading to her brief detainment. Details of the alleged arrest remain murky, with sources citing that it involved a heated altercation and possible endangerment allegations. While Amy hasn't confirmed every detail surrounding the event, she admitted during a social media live stream that the situation got out of hand, and that she was working hard to prove she was still a good mom. The emotional toll this had on her was evident, and viewers began to express concern over her well-being and the safety of her children. Speculation intensified when fans noticed that Gage and Glenn were being seen less frequently in Amy's content. Rumors swirled that Child Protective Services had intervened, and many wondered if custody arrangements had been altered as a result of the controversy. The silence was deafening until Amy decided to speak up and finally reveal the current state of her family. In an exclusive interview filmed from her Kentucky home, Amy gave a tearful update on her custody situation, confirming what many feared, but with a twist that surprised even the harshest critics. Amy began by explaining that the situation had been deeply personal and painful. "I know a lot of people have been talking, assuming, and coming to their own conclusions," she said. "But I needed time to heal, to figure things out for myself and my babies before I could come forward." With her voice cracking, Amy revealed that after ongoing legal discussions and evaluations by Child Services, she and Michael had agreed to a temporary custody arrangement where the children would split their time between both parents' homes. She emphasized that this wasn't a full custody loss but rather a mutually agreed decision in the children's best interest while she focused on getting her mental and emotional health back on track. "Gage and Glenn are my heart and soul," Amy shared. "Every decision I've made, even the hard ones, have been with them in mind." She explained that her current living situation and the trauma from the recent months had made it difficult to provide the consistency her sons needed. By agreeing to let Michael take temporary full custody on weekdays, Amy is ensuring the boys have structure, while she has them over the weekends and holidays. This co-parenting dynamic, though not ideal, has helped the boys maintain a routine and has given Amy the space to attend therapy, focus on healing, and rebuild trust with her family and fans. What made Amy's update even more shocking was her candidness about the toll everything has taken on her personally. She admitted to struggling with depression and anxiety, especially during the media storm surrounding her arrest. "I felt like the world was closing in on me," she confessed. "The hate online, the judgment, the assumptions, none of that helped. I felt like I failed as a mother. She also addressed rumors about substance use and abuse, firmly denying the claims and stating that all drug tests and assessments read by the court came back clear. Supporters and fans online were quick to rally behind her once the update aired. Many praised Amy for her transparency and willingness to prioritize her children's needs over public opinion. Others pointed out how common these struggles are for single mothers, especially those under the microscope of fame. Her story resonated deeply with fans who've seen her grow from a YouTube star to a national television personality to a mother trying to do right by her children under enormous pressure. While Amy's update might not be the fairy tale ending many hoped for, it marked a turning point in her journey, a sign that she's not giving up. The TLC star shared that she is actively working on regaining full-time custody of her sons and hopes that by the end of the year, she'll be in a place emotionally and legally to have them with her every day again. This isn't the end, Amy said. It's just a chapter, and I'm going to make sure the next one is better, for me and for my boys. As for the future of 1000 LB Sisters, the fate of the show remains uncertain. With filming halted and no confirmation on whether a new season is on the horizon, fans are left wondering whether Amy's journey will continue to be shared on camera. TLC has remained tight-lipped about the series' future, but many speculate that behind-the-scenes legal issues and Amy's recent struggles have made the network hesitant to move forward without further clarity. However, Amy has hinted that she is open to returning to the spotlight when she feels ready. If sharing my story helps just one other mom out there feel seen, then it's worth it, she said. In the meantime, she plans to focus on healing, being present for her children, and preparing for the long road ahead as she fights to regain full custody. Fans can also expect her to return to YouTube and social media in a more controlled way, offering updates on her health, motherhood, and persona journey at her own pace. What this moment proves is that reality stars are just as human as anyone else. Behind the scenes, behind the edits, behind the laughter and drama, they face real struggles. Amy Slayton's raw and honest update reminded the world that motherhood is messy, healing is not linear, and redemption is possible, even in the spotlight. As Amy continues to face one of the hardest battles of her life, her bravery in sharing this deeply personal custody update shows the kind of strength that fans have come to admire in her. While many questions remain about the arrest, the baby reveal, and the long-term custody outcome, what's clear is that Amy is fighting to reclaim her narrative and protect her family. Her journey may be rocky, but she's not backing down. And as her supporters cheer her on, one thing is certain, Amy Slayton is far from finished. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.